Hello YouTube, it's me again. A little short video, since I know there's a fellow on YouTube that likes hammers. I thought I'd show off the only unique hammers I own. This one right here, I don't know what the hell it's for. I think it's a cobbler's hammer. It's got a nice little small head on here, little tiny. It's getting a little rusty. I gotta clean it, but nice little hammer. I bought it years ago. Thought it was cool. It's got a nice little like teardrop kind of hammer. It's thin. This thing is the best for putting IKEA furniture together. IKEA furniture is a piece of shit. When you got to put those little micro nails in, this is the best. So yeah, that one's a nice little hammer. I'll put it over here. Let's bend this down a little more. Bend the camera down a little. I also have, I think this is a cobbler's hammer. Looks like it's been used and abused. It has no nail pulling whatsoever. Cute little hammer. I think I paid like $1 or $2 for it. I don't collect hammers, but when I do find a unique one, this I think is a body hammer. I'm guessing it's a body hammer. I mean, I'm sure there's some guy on YouTube out there who might be able to tell me what the hell this is for. It's got a little rust on it. Yeah. I think I've used it twice. I thought it was cool. And this one, which you can guess how much I paid for it, but it has a big giant RD on it. I don't know if you could see it. I don't know what the hell that means. Is that a RD, right hand drive? But yeah, I thought it was cool because it's like a little miniature hammer thing. I have those. The only other unique one I have is got this shitty one out of a box somewhere. Looks like the handle's gonna fly off. It's pretty cool. It's a little old. You can see how someone used this thing. I mean, look at this. It is shroomed out, but it's got the little. You know, I don't take it off because it looks cool. I have a couple of. I have a set of snap-on body hammers. A little shrinker and the stretchers in there. I have a set of those. What else here? I probably should have pulled them all out before I did this. I bought this at Harbor Freight, made in China. Piece of junk, but it works. This is my snap-on plastic, orange plastic hammer. I was using it one day. You can see the orange plastic in here. I was using it one day, beating on something, and the plastic just exploded and just all fell off. I wasn't sure if they give me a warranty for it, but it doesn't say snap-on anywhere. But this is what inside of a snap-on hammer looks like, especially the ones I think the heads come off. I'm not sure. Maybe, I don't know. They might come off, but yeah, I still use it. And, oh, this is my favorite, my other favorite. This one. Bought this at a little auction. No, I don't have 250 hammers, but I put another little thing in there. This one is actually cool. It's a I don't know what the hell it's for. It's a hammer. Like, to me, hammers are hammers. Sometimes you just need a flat surface. I'm no hammer expert, but I use that one a lot. Like I said, I have a snap-on body hammer. I've used this a few times to get little tight places. I have a regular run-of-the-mill Mastercraft. Actually, I don't even know if you've seen that. That's my other snap-on. They have nice wooden handles, at least, the snap-on ones. This is a shitty Mastercraft. I have a bunch of cheap Mastercraft. We get them at Canadian Tire here, ball peen hammers. Other than that, that's my massive collection of hammers. Nothing to write home about, but I've used them all. Did a pretty good job. So yeah, so all the hammer gods out there, if somebody can tell me what the hell this one's for, this I know is a body hammer. It's no body hammer. This is, that looks like a nice little skull cracker. You gonna break in my house? Just fucking smash you in the head. Anyway, I hope I can bleep that out. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed my mini hammer video. Maybe by the time I get another 100 YouTube videos, I'll buy another 400 hammers. No, I'm not. I'm not about to buy any more hammers. I don't need any more. But I will buy some more vice grips. Thanks for watching.